हाय फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे सब लोग ठीक हैं? आज मैंने सोचा कि जहाँ मैं रहती हूँ मेरे इर्द गिर्द बहुत सारी कंट्री के लोग रहते हैं। तो मेरी फ्रेंड है, मेरी रूममेट समझ लीजिए। तो वो आज कुछ कुक कर रही हैं, तो मैं उनसे पूछना चाहूँगी वो क्या कुक कर रही हैं। हाय अबनुला, हाउ आर यू? अबनुला, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग राइट नाउ? व्हाट कुक? Chicken? Okay, and how you cook this? What is this?
This is yam.
Yam, yani fish?
No. It's like tapioca. This one is yam.
Okay.
African yam. This is matoke, a traditional food from Uganda.
Can I touch?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, कच्चा, ये तो कच्चा केला है। अच्छा, okay, banana. Okay.
It's like banana, but
Yeah.
this one is green.
Okay, yeah, it's green, yeah. Okay.
So I tell you what
And
make
first
it.
of all, you do fry the chicken.
I boil it.
Okay, first you boil it.
I will boil and then throw away the water
Okay.
to cut on the oil because it's too oily.
Okay.
I will
You don't like the oily things, huh?
No.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
So I'll just fry it just for a little while and then I will add my.
Okay. Inside,
There is onion.
Okay,
green pepper,
onion.
and carrot.
okay, carrots and
I will put all at once.
Okay. लें जी, तमाम चीज़ें इन्होंने पहले चिकन को बॉईल किया, फिर उसको फ्राई करिए, फिर उसमें उन्होंने प्याज और शिमला मिर्च और गाजरें डाली हैं थोड़ी सी, और ये जी कच्चे केले हैं जिनको वो यू बॉयल दिस।
Yeah.
ओके, वो इसको बॉयल करेंगी और बाद में इसमें डालेंगे, मेरा ख्याल है। आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दिस। वल्लाह।
This is yam. I will show you when it's ready.
Okay.
You just boil
in actually I want actual shape.
It's
Okay.
very nice. Yeah. It's like this. You see this? It's like a potato.
पोटैटो। ओके, शकरकंदी। आई थिंक जी ये शकरकंदी है मेरे ख्याल में, जिसको ये कह रहे हैं ये जो है पोटैटो की तरह है। तो असल लफ्ज में तो ये बोल ना दी बेचारे को पता कैसे चले, और मैं भी फिर हो गई। ओ नो 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 नो, लिसन, ये
That is the one.
ओके बैंगन है जी, ये जी। आई थिंक ये बैंगन है। ओह, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज आल्सो put in this?
Yeah, I will put inside. See, this one is almost ready. See?
Okay.
It will be like this inside. See, it's ready.
Okay.
Only we wait for the water to dry, and then we'll get it out. We will take off the skin and then leave it to get cold a bit. Not so hot,
Skin?
not so cold.
Okay.
I need this water to dry.
Okay.
I will show you.
Listen, Manola.
Don't worry.
It's kind of.
See, it's like this. When you cut inside, this is already ready.
Not ready.
It's ready.
Ready. Okay.
All I need is for this water to dry up. Then I will remove.
Listen.
I will boil this one.
Okay.
After boiling, the water will dry, and then I will mash it.
Okay. Banana you will mash.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
like mashed potato, and then I will make something like a bowl. So this one you just eat with the sauce. Eat with the sauce like that.
Okay. And also make the rice directly. You use this.
I can make rice if I want, but this is food also. This is like rice.
Okay.
I will make it
Okay.
like this.
Both of things.
This one no, I will not make it like this. I
Okay.
will not
This one
smash
you
it.
just mash it.
Yeah.
Bananas you just mash and make the ball, right? And you directly you eat it with the salona. What you call salona?
Sauce.
Chicken sauce, whatever. Okay, good. Now done your food.
Done.
Okay, thank you so much. And inshallah, when you make a different things, I will meet you. Okay? Thank you, darling. Bye bye.
Thank you.